Yeah, so right now we're in an urban operations training facility and we are delivering the urban operations training package to the Ukrainian recruits. So the kinds of training we've been doing is movement from the rural to urban environment, movement within the urban environment from building to building, breaching rooms, room entry, building clearance, and just general patrolling around the urban environment. We keep on hitting on certain points that keep coming up again through the training, and as we go forward they keep getting better and better at them. I think it will greatly benefit them when they get back to Ukraine.
In February last year, when the full-scale invasion began, that's what made me join the UAF. It was the desire to protect my country, protect the freedom we have. I'm really grateful to be a part of this and be able to help people learn new things that may save their lives and help others.